much to the wind.
Antigua, see you later, and yeah, we'll see Guadeloupe tomorrow morning. Well, I mean, we'll be there tonight, but won't see anything. Here we go!
Nice one.
The wind was forecast to shift south, so we needed to leave before getting stuck. Even so, the swell was already pretty southerly, so we were close-hauled and beating into the waves for most of the passage. Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Woohoo!
The wind picked up even more and we were reefed down and stomping along at over 6 knots. I can never stay up at night, so I left Lars on watch and passed out. He had a less chill that evening.
Ooh, it's bright. The headsail reefing line just snapped, and so it must have chafed through on something. I'm not sure where yet. But it means we've got full headsail out right now, and I don't really feel like going up on deck to fix that whilst we're out here. So we're flying along at 7 knots, really heeled over. Rail is buried in the water. I'm gonna just sail in. Once we're behind Guadeloupe and protected from the swell a little bit, hopefully, and the wind, then I'll go up on deck and I'll get the sail in. And for now, we'll just make do. I just saw it hit 8.2. Damn.
Just woken up in Guadeloupe. Yeah, we got in about 1 o'clock last night, and it wasn't too bad. It's the right kind of marina to come into at night time because it's just like a big beach. But we actually got quite lucky because there's loads of fishing ports here right next to us that we just missed, didn't see, but got lucky that we didn't hit any of them. We've just recovered on some sleep, and today we're going to go for an explore on land and also do some admin, do laundry. We haven't done laundry in probably about 3 weeks or a month.
So we're just watching the sun go down.
At Port-Louis in Guadeloupe.
We arrived last night, so you're forgiven. We've got some laundry on that was desperately needed. Did nothing in Antigua and Barbuda, so we're just waiting for that to finish and chilling out, watching the sunset. It's pretty good here.
Beautiful.
And then we got our friends, Ali and Dan, coming in a couple of days, so we're just doing all our admin and cleaning and stuff before they arrive.
Murals around here. Doing laundry from the boat usually takes us about half a day. Between dinghying to the laundromat, waiting for it to clean, and dinghying back again, and then hanging everything up to dry. This time we used the dryer as it was nighttime, but it all takes a while. Saturday morning and we're still in Port-Louis, so we're just having a kind of an admin day. Lars is Semcoing, doing another coat of Semco on everything in the cockpit.
Hello, hello. Welcome to the Semco station. It's a bit windy here. I've got the floor gratings from the cockpit here. I just sanded them down and I'm just putting a coat of Semco on here, and it just makes it go from this sort of more gray tone to this more life tone. It just makes it seem alive, and it's really nice, and I really like it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Semco is really just for the aesthetic effect. We quickly gave up Semcoing the entire deck because of how much work it was, but it's nice to keep this warm wood feel in the cockpit. Lars Semcoed the... Oh, you can't hear me at all.
Yeah, it's running.
I'll just... Oh, rock! I mean, it's okay. It just was brown. It's pretty shallow around here. Hopefully we don't hit anything. Does that mean caution, or does that mean, like, you can come here? I think we're safe, like, as of now, basically. Ah là, ouais, c'est shallow là. Oh. So we've just arrived at this tiny spit of land. There's an island. There's like a place that you can hang out with picnic tables or bar kind of thing. And so we just brought our own drink and we're watching the sunset. On the way back from picking our friends already in Dan up, there was this beautiful bioluminescence coming from the outboard. It's the first time we've ever seen it this bright. Yeah. Exciting!
I'm so excited about this. It's going to be game changing for us because we can tell that we've got issues with our water at the moment. Although the water maker filters everything really well, we've got, it's really difficult to keep your tanks clean, keep all your hoses clean. I mean, it's almost impossible. And basically the way this works is there's a really strong UV LED inside that then purifies and just kills all the bacteria and everything that's in there. Also comes with a pre-filter. We just need one extra piece that we're going to go pick up at the shop now, and then we'll be ready to go.
The Acuva tech ended up working really well for us. We're really happy with it, and it's reassuring to know that the water we're drinking is always clean. There's a link in the description if you're interested. You want to go through this one? Okay. Oh, really? Oh. Well, at least we know that our depth is less than that.
Yeah, maybe.
Right? We didn't touch it. Yeah, there you go. 50 centimeters, that's half a meter. This is really shallow. Keep going, keep going. Oh, yeah. This is cute.
Go for a little run.
The next day, I went to check out just how much water we were in. It turns out it was pretty shallow. We maybe had about 20 centimeters beneath the keel. Lucky we didn't run aground. So shallow. Oh my god, it's so big! We had a visitor come to check us out, a big barracuda. I know barracuda aren't dangerous, but I really feel like this one was following me around. We sailed back to Port Louis where we had another beautiful sunset. And then we made our way on land to check out the local beer, cuisine and rum. The main drink here is called a tiponche, which is a blend of white rum, sugar and lime. In the restaurants in Guadeloupe, they leave the whole bottle of rum on the table, so you never really know what the etiquette is around how much to serve yourself.
So what do you think is like appropriate?
Who knows?
2 Mississippis.
The next day, Lars went for a surf off the beach, and we checked out the mangroves in the area before having an incredible meal at the local restaurant called Chitov. So we've gone for a walk in the mangroves. It's a little bit warm because you get out of the wind. And we're going to grab some lunch and move on to the next anchorage.
Points that we were making and improving.
After lunch, we packed up and sailed down to DE.
That's a crime of fashion.
I was getting blisters on my feet, but Lars made fun of me for the socks and sandals look. From De we walked across to the neighbouring bay and had a swim on the beautiful beach there. And then we continued our way down the coast back to the Cousteau Reserve.
35 there, that's a lot of wind.
So we're at Jacques Cousteau Island, Jacques Cousteau Reserve again. I love it here!
We are on land at the moment. We've got Ollie and Dan with us still, and Alex's brother Dan is also with us now, so we're a party of 5, and we've rented a car, so we're making the most of the car and everybody being here to just really do all the things on Guadeloupe. And so we're walking up towards one of the big waterfalls here on the island, the Troisième Chute de Carbet.
And we're going to go for a dip, hopefully, when we get there.
Yeah, that'd be good. And in fact, around the island, there's loads of hot water pools.
Like springs.
Springs, hot water springs, because you've got the volcano, which is still active. And the rainwater apparently goes underground, gets heated up by the volcano, and then comes out in these hot water springs. So we were there yesterday, it was really nice.
We were blown away by this waterfall, the Troisième Chute du Carbet. It was so much bigger than we expected, and we ended up having it all to ourselves. Talk about Paradise Island vibes. We made the most of having the car the next few days to go to all the places worth visiting inland, and it turns out there's quite a lot in Guadeloupe. There's so much beautiful forest with waterfalls and hot springs. We had a pretty packed itinerary. We hiked up to the main volcano on the island, the Soufrière, which is in fact still active. Unfortunately though, it was crazy cloudy, so no panoramic views for us. On our way back down, we had a pit stop to test out some of the local delicacies. These are cassava cakes, which are little pastries which are made from manioc flour here. And we also had the classic écrats de morue, little fried dough balls made from salted cod. Highly recommend. In fact, I'd recommend visiting all of Guadeloupe as well. We absolutely loved this island, which felt a little more Caribbean to us than its sister island, Martinique. Thanks so much for watching this far. If you like this video, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Join us next time when we do a free diving course and we sail to the next island, which happens to be a gem, Dominica. You see,
kept it stolen.